My true Yarans, I stand before you armed with truth. For too long, our country was stolen by politicians. But you elected a vision, a cure, a road to paradise. Viviro, created by our own brilliant scientists. The most effective treatment for cancer the world has ever seen. Grown within our precious tobacco. Modified with the purest fertilizer, Viviro is the key to rebuild paradise. But our paradise comes at a cost. This our enemies will never understand. Yara did not elect me to do what's easy, but to do what's right. And so, with renewed focus, I must extend the draft to paradise. True Yarans from across our island, chosen to produce enough Viviro to heal the world and save our country. These lucky Yarans will be chosen by random lottery. Even my own son Diego could be drafted tomorrow.
Hey, Dani.
And like a true Yaran, he
Turn
would
that
serve
shit off.
with a smile on his face.
Precisamente. Exactly what Castillo wants.
Enough politics, Lita.
You think the draft is only taking true Yarans? It's the outcasts, the poor, orphans like us. He's bringing slavery back from the dead. In Yara! You can't run from this.
Hang on. You ditched us. Ran off to the jungle with a bunch of guerrillas.
Libertad.
Now you're back here to recruit for Clara Garcia's local crusade? Come on, this is our big goodbye. Dani, fucking say something.
They got my name wrong.
Dani, you could help Libertad. You're trained.
Would have been career military if you weren't such a fuck-up.
Just come with us, Lita.
Ay, you never fucking listen, Dani.
Hey, time to go. Boss waiting. Drinks in Mexico.
Dinner in Miami. Coño! Fucking blackouts.
Too big for a blackout.
You fucking packing?
Oye, do you know what's going on?
Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise.
What the fuck?
Draftees must report for duty. You will join
We
us to
go,
rebuild
all of
paradise.
us.
Alejo, down!
Draftees must report for
Alejo,
duty.
get down!
You will join
Fuck
us to rebuild
Castillo!
paradise.
Alejo!
Draftees must report for duty. You will join
Dani,
us to rebuild paradise.
We have to go.
Now!
Draftees
The boat.
must report
You're
for
coming.
duty. You will join
Promise
us to
me,
rebuild
Lita.
paradise.
See. Come on, Dani.
Stay close, Lita.
Draftees
We have
must
to get to the
report
boat.
for duty.
Okay, Dani.
You will join us to rebuild paradise.
When we get to Miami.
We'll say goodbye to Alejo. I promise.
Draftees must report for duty. You will join us.
Coño, get down. Shit.
Over. I told you, there's nobody here.
¡Abra la puerta! ¡Hey, Rojas! Have answered the call! Next asshole who opens the door is Dani Rojas. Come on. FND, get out here!
We're looking for Dani Rojas!
This won't end well!
This way.
Get this door open, or we will bust it
Okay,
down.
okay. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What the fuck? Come on. I have a family. Wait. Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot.
Open the door!
Come on, we gotta move.
We need to get across that square.
They're going to see us.
No, they. Trust me.
Come out and stand before your home. Any resistance will be met with lethal.
That's a lot of soldiers, Lita.
So we take the sewers.
How was your assignment? How was your assignment? How was your assignment? How was your assignment?
Ready, Dani?
Go! Please!
Get in the sewer.
Where the fuck are you taking me?
This is a guerrilla path from the 67 revolution. Recognize the markings.
Yeah, from when we were kids, cojones. This is so fucked. Shit.
They went this way!
¿Qué coño?
I found them!
So much blood.
Get down on the ground!
Almost there. The way out is up ahead.
Good. That boat's not going to wait for us. Shit. Dead end.
Traitors! Make Yaran! I say you traitors! Soldiers! Make Yaran over there!
Stay with me, Nita. Shit. Lita, zipline. Just like fucking boot camp. Oh shit!
Dani, you okay?
Yeah. Sorry. I wasn't here.
trouble!
Shit, Lita. Where are you? La Torre de Leon. Castillo's fucking castle.
Dani, over here.
Over there!
Another zipline.
The rest of you, line up!
Fuck. Where the fuck are the police? They're just letting the military kill us? La noche de la muerte. The boat's over there. Run! Keep moving, Lita. We're almost there.
Please, we have to get on that boat.
Abuela, what the hell I'm gonna do with baseball cards?
Do you have any idea what these are worth? Let us through.
Quiet! Marco! Always making new friends.
Dani, you're late. Where's Alejo?
He gave up his ticket. For his family.
Bullshit. Alejo is an orphan.
Alejo's not going anywhere anymore. Come on, Marco. Let them on.
Vamos.
Good man.
Get on the boxing gown!